Greetings to all and welcome to this video where we'll try to wrap up our presentations on Oracle Apex. The first thing that we like to do is to apologize for the omission that we made in our last presentation. In our last presentation, we were working on our CM 2. Let me go there, then I can go to a builder. It was CM 2. Now, in CM 2, we were showing how to create a step-by-step presentation of sequential processes, and we were at the level of step 3. Here that we were. So when we were here, what did I forget to do? I forgot to indicate that P LCID was the primary key and to hide it. So we have to hide it. You can see it here, hidden. And I also forget to set it as the primary key. If you don't do that, it's going to give you errors. So apologies for this omission. I would like to go back to the app and show you some other important things that you will try to do in your project. For example, when you are editing a page, if I go there and I click on edit and you run it, let's try to run it. It will ask us, good, you can see here there is save and nothing else. It means the person will be able to save and to edit. I can also come here and see. You'll see what is happening. So if I close it in that edit and I go back, I'm going to look for a similar page. This is edit. A similar one is change. If I go to change and I run it, you will see that also here is only save and there is nothing else. So sometimes you'll see here add rows. I made something to make it disappear. How did I make the add rows disappear? I'm going to show you how you can change the settings. So I will go to my change. Change is here. If I go to change, here you'll see that there are attributes and I can select if I want the add row or if I don't want it. Suppose I want the add row. If I click on add row, save it and run the page, you will see the add row is now here, which will allow the user to add a row. Now I don't want it to be done. So I am going back and to remove add row. I'll go to the attributes and I will remove add row. The same similarly, if I want the user to delete a row, I will be able to just select it here. This is very, very important depending on what you want to restrict the user to do when he or she would like to change data on a record. You can add, you can update, you can delete, or you can unselect any of them. I'm going back to the initial setting. Here, I just wanted the user to update a row without adding a new row or deleting an existing row. The save is done. What else can I show that I wanted you to really highlight as part of the important things when we are wrapping up these presentations? I would like you to be aware of the fact that sometimes you want the user who is currently logged in to only see or to only change or to only act on his or her own data. So let me just run the app and show you again what am I talking about. If I'm a lecturer, then I would like, for example, to display only my own courses. Display only my courses. So let's go and see how do we do that in the display page. So I'm going to close and going to look for the display page. Display page is here. Once I'm here, and you will see I am a lecturer. I go to display and we said it will only the logged in lecturer. See the table view? It will come from the logged in lecturer. There is also another situation that is even more serious. This is just to display, but there are also situations where you want to change. Then the person who is logged in should only change the data that is related to his or her. Let's go and see which situation are we talking about. If I go there and I run the app as a lecturer, yes, I can change. Let me just make sure if I'm a lecturer and I would like to edit my own details. So it is inside edit. Inside edit. So I'm going to close it. Just going to see how I coded it in edit. This is one edit. I think it is this edit, or it is the change my own details. Then how did we code it? I go to change. I would like to change my own details. Yes, you can see it here. Here that I can change my details. This is very, very important. We showed it in the previous videos and it comes in handy. Very, very important. I think those are the two things that I would like to highlight at this point in time. We'll have a final video where we will do a full demo of the entire app. The demo for the demo app. Thank you.